Good evening traders and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. I have received a lot of messages from you guys. Thanks for your love and your support. I have received a lot of messages from you guys. So Rana, if you have a time, please do daily type of forecast as well. So now I decided whenever I get the time, I will definitely do what I am thinking about the forex market, what's gonna happen on daily basis. I'm not gonna promise you guys I'm gonna do it every day, but I will try my best to do that. So guys, before I start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos. And one more thing, anything I will do, that's the analysis what I am thinking about the market. If you need any kind of signals or any kind of my services, there is a link in the description. You can contact me on Telegram, and you can also join my Telegram channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and contact me on Telegram at UK Pro Traders. So let's start our daily analysis. Let's start our video. As you can see, this is the daily chart of CADJPY. Let me go to the smaller time frame. As you can see, just the chart of H4 GbpUsd. As you can see, it's gone up from here. It's touched our resistance level. Now it start coming down, but I'm expecting this kind of movement again and then gonna go up. The guys who watched my previous video, they knew we bought this pair from here, and I was expecting it will go up, and it will go up a lot. So for tomorrow, I'm expecting CADJPY to go up. So I'm not gonna take any further new trade in CADJPY. So let's see how market is gonna react tomorrow. And let's move to our next pair, which is CHF-JPY. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold this pair today on 114.50 level, and after that it start going down exactly. So I'm just waiting to break this, and then it's gonna go down. So on my point of view, I'm expecting CHF-JPY will go more down tomorrow. Let's see how market will react. So let's move to our AUD pairs. That's the daily chart of AUDUSD. Let AUDJPY, sorry, let me go to 4 hour. Yep. So as you can see guys, it's touched our this resistance level twice today. So the guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold this pair. So I'm expecting this pair to go down, and it will go down a lot. So let me sold on this account as well. So here we go, daily. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna sell this pair. So I'm gonna drag my SL about here. So guys, if you place trade place at your own risk, because in this kind of trading like I'm doing right now, it's very big SL and very big TP. So if you need proper here, I'm gonna set my take profit. So if you need proper signals with small SO sizes, you can join my Telegram channel. So I'm expecting AUDJPY to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUDCAD. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew I was expecting this pair to go down. Excuse me. And as you can see, it's touched my this resistance level. Now it start going down. So I'm waiting for this kind of movement again, then it's gonna go down. So I'm expecting AUDCAD to go down for tomorrow. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUDCHF. The guys who watched my previous video, they knew I bought this pair from here. So I'm expecting this pair to go up, but it's moving right now a bit sideways. So maybe it will come down again, and then it's gonna go up. So let's see how market will react tomorrow. And don't forget, we have the AUD news as well tomorrow, UK time 5:30 am. So be careful when you place any kind of trade in AUD pairs. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD I'm not interested to do any trade in that because I'm a big fan of AUD so as you can see it's taking support from here. When it's break out, it will break this support and then it's gonna go down. So I'm expecting AUD to go down. As you can see, trend is down and it's a bit strong as well. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUDUSD. As you can see, this pair touch this resistance level. If it break that, the next target of AUDUSD is 7050, which I am not expecting is gonna go that because we have a AUD data tomorrow as well. So I'm expecting AUD pairs to fall. Let me zoom out for you guys so I will see. So I'm gonna place the trade on AUDUSD as well right now, and let me move this so you can see. I'm gonna drag my SO about here, and my take profit will be something around here. So I'm expecting AUDUSD to go down for tomorrow. Let's see, guys. This is, if you want to follow like the signals I'm opening on my account, if you want to open them, okay, you can, but please always use risk and money management. So let's see, because sometime when the trade going in my way, so I drag my SOs as well. So if you need proper entries and exit point, please join my Telegram channel. There is a link in the description, so you can find my link over there. So that's it from the AUD pair. Let's move to our next pair, which are Euro pairs. That's the chart of Euro AUD. Let me zoom out. As you can see, Euro pair, I'm expecting it will come down and then it's gonna go up. So but I'm not interested to place any kind of trade for now because as you can see, it's in between right now. So if it will come down here, then I'm gonna buy. So let's see how market will react tomorrow for Euro AUD. Let's move to our next pair, which is EURJPY. That's the daily chart of EURJPY. We don't have any trade in daily time frame because it's in between, but if it will go up here, then I'm gonna sell because I'm expecting EURJPY to go down, but there is no trade in daily time frame. Let me go to the shorter time frame if I find any kind of trade or not. Let me go to the H4. Yeah, as you can see, it's touched this resistance level. Now it start going down. So I'm expecting this kind of movement and then it's gonna fall. So I'm expecting EURJPY to go down, but I'm already missed this trade. But still, let me zoom out. Yeah, but still I'm gonna sell this, but it's a bit risky trade because I'm placing this trade on H4, because if it break this support resistance level, let me mark you guys, if it break this resistance level, the next target of EURJPY is 1.22370. So but still I'm expecting EURJPY to go down. So as you can see, I just placed a trade. Let's see how this pair is gonna react tomorrow. So I'm gonna drag my SO here and I'm gonna put my take profit something around here. Yeah, so I'm expecting EURJPY to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is EURCAD. As you can see right now, EURCAD is in between. So from in between, so I am not looking any trade in EURCAD. Let's move to our next pair, which is EURJPY. The guys who are watching my previous video, I was expecting EURCAD to go up, and then exactly the same thing happened, but I'm not looking at any trade right now. So let's move to our next pair, which is Euro NZD. That's a bit interesting. As you can see, Euro NZD touch this resistance level, now start going down. So I am expecting this pair will go up, but this trade will be a risky because it's near to my last support level. If it break that, the next target of Euro NZD is this, which is 0.66. so but I'm expecting if it break that, it will go down or it will go up from here, but I'm expecting Euro NZD to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro USD. Let me go to the H4 chart. As you can see, guys, is touch these two resistance level, but I'm expecting Euro USD to go down. So let's see how it's gonna react tomorrow. So I'm gonna place one trade on this pair as well. Let me go to the daily and let me zoom out. So I'm gonna sell, and my stop loss should be something around here, and my take profit, I'm expecting this pair to go down, so my take profit is 1.090. so I'm just waiting to break this resistance level and that support level. The next target of Euro USD is 1.09. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro GBP. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew, and we have one running trade on this pair as well, as you can see. So I'm expecting this pair to go down, and exactly the same thing happened. Now it's going off this kind of movement, then it's gonna go down. So I'm expecting Euro GBP to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is, that's it for the Euro pairs. Let's move to our next pair, which is GbpUsd. The guys who are watching my previous video, I was expecting GBP will go up, and that's my take profit, but as you can see, it's already break this resistance level. So I'm expecting GbpUsd to go up. Maybe we can find this kind of movement, and then it's gonna go up. So I'm expecting GbpUsd will come down first, and then it's gonna go up for tomorrow. Let's move to our next pair, which is GbpAUD. As you can see, it's near to this support level, so I'm expecting GbpAUD to go up. Let's see how market will react tomorrow. Let's move to our next pair, which is GbpCAD. Sterling CAD is between right now, so I'm not looking any kind of trade in that. Let's move to our next pair, which is GbpCHF. Let me zoom in. As you can see, it's touch this support level, and the guys who are in my paid group, they knew we'll place this trade today as well. So let's see how this trade will go, because I'm expecting this kind of movement, then it's gonna go up. So I'm expecting GbpCHF to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is GbpJPY. The guys who watched my previous videos, they knew we bought GbpJPY from here. We missed this trade here because it's touched this resistance level, but we didn't place this trade. But I'm expecting this kind of movement, then it's gonna go down. So I'm expecting GbpJPY to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is GbpNZD. Let me zoom in. As you can see, guys, GbpNZD touched this support level. So I'm expecting this pair to go up for tomorrow. So I'm gonna buy this now. But before that, I have to zoom out a bit. Yeah. So I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna buy this GbpNZD, and my stop loss should be something around here, and my take profit will be this. So I'm expecting GBP and ZD to go up. That's it from the GBP pairs. Let's move to our next pairs, which are NZD CAD and ZD pairs. So that's the chart of NZD CAD. So as you can see, is break our this resistance level. Let me zoom out for you guys. Let me go in daily if you find, yeah. So I'm expecting NZD CAD to go down, so I'm gonna sell this pair from here, and my take profit should be something around here. My this support level, but my SO will be something around here. So I'm expecting NZD CAD to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD-JPY. Right now NZD-JPY is in between, so I'm not expecting any kind of, I'm not looking at any kind of trade in that. Let's move to our next pair, which is same with the New Zealand CHF. Right now is in between, so I'm not looking at any trade. NZD-USD. Let me zoom out for you guys. As you can see, it's touch our this resistance level. So now I'm expecting this pair to go down, so I just gonna sell this, and my take profit will be this. Let me zoom out, and my stop loss should be something so I'm expecting NZD USD to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD CAD. The guys who watched my previous video, they knew we sell USD CAD here, and that's our take profit is going good. So I'm expecting USD CAD to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD JPY. Right now USD JPY is a bit between, and now it's gonna change the trend now. So I'm not looking any kind of trade in that. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD CHF. I'm gonna buy this pair because I'm expecting this pair will go up, and it will go up a lot, but the take profit I'm gonna set is not gonna hit by tomorrow. It will take time. So, and that's my SO. So I'm expecting USD CHF to go up. Let's move to our last pair, but not the least, the gold. Gold is moving a lot nowadays, and is moving very risky. So if the gold break 1800, then the next target of gold is 1850, but let's see how it's gonna run for tomorrow. But I'm expecting gold will fall tomorrow, but guys, that's my point of view. I'm not the one who is running the market, so if you place trade at your own risk. I will not